Hey, I'm Ian with Touratech-Usa, and this is just a quick introduction and install video for the Touratech grill guard. And we make two different versions of this. They fit the Touratech RallyeForm skid plate and the factory KTM skid plate for both the 790 and the 890 R models and standard models. It's a real quick, basic part, and what it does is it covers up this U-shaped hole right here at the front of the skid plate, and that's going to keep sticks and rocks and small debris from getting stuck inside the skid plate and making any unwanted contact with the header pipes or the horn that sits inside there. The install on these is really simple, and it's the same regardless of which version of the skid plate that you have. So first thing is check your hardware kit. You should have one part, which is the grill guard, and you should have one hardware pack. This contains 4 bolts and 4 clip nuts. The 4 bolts all have red Loctite on them ahead of time from the factory, so that's just one more step out of the way. You only need one tool to install this, and that is a Torx T25 wrench. So the first step to installing this is we're going to take the 4 clip nuts and you're going to install them over the 4 holes. On the Touratech RallyeForm version of this skid plate, you'll see that the bracket has a small bend down at the bottom here. You want that bend down facing in toward the motorcycle. So the clip nuts are going to go on here with the threaded portion on the back side facing the motorcycle. Now that I've got all 4 of the clip pieces installed, the clip nuts, you're just going to rest it down in the front of the skid plate right here. And now it's just a matter of running in the 4 screws. I'm going to be using the Cruise Tools 3/8 drive ratchet attachments for these Torx wrench bits. I find these really handy. And it's that easy, just 4 bolts to install the part. And now we've got a nice guard here to cover the header pipes and the horn. And as an added benefit on bikes like ours that maybe don't get baths quite as often as they should, now you can't see the baked on mud on the header pipes nearly as easily. If you got any more questions about products we make for your bike, please visit our website, touratech-usa.com. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to see more like this.